atop a craggy peak. Oh no, the hiccups are back! Oh, Jesus Christ, this stream might end in the next 10 seconds. Oh, guys. Oh, no. Oh, Jesus. Oh, God. Oh, no! No! Oh, it's getting me all burpy. Oh, no! You're seeing my shame! Oh, it's pronounced Baja Blast. Great. Well, I got hiccups, so I don't really care at the moment, MLG kid. Oh, God! Ah. Oh, no! Oh. This is a political stream. I love people who don't like this. Oh, God. Oh, this is not a fun time. Oh, God. A voice actor. With hiccups. It's like an athlete. I don't know what the muscle pinch makes me stand up and race. Jesus Christ, take 55. Yeah. Yeah, Baja Blast. Oh, here's something backwards. Is that? He'll get to it eventually. Cover Spampton in ketchup to get rid of hiccups. Oh, God. How do I do that? Hold your breath for a couple of seconds. It works for me most of the time. Okay, right. Let's do it. Oh, God. Okay. Okay, let's see if it worked. There you go. The stream's not frozen. What are you talking about? Did it work? Oh, geez, it might have worked. Ha! Amazing. No more hiccups, just like that. Here's me doubting you guys. Talking about golden gay times and things like that. Wow. Oh my God! La 0 hiccups. Jesus Christ, it worked. I've tried that before, but I feel much calmer.